But we waited so long for the Jordan 12 cherries. So let's see how sweet these cherries really are. What's going on? You know who it is. MTIP. That is Mr. Think I'm Possible, where I challenge you to think that I'm possible. Today, we are going to take a look at the Jordan 12 cherries. Without further ado, let's take a look at these kicks. All right, guys, I'm gonna start off with the toe cap and the toe box there. Look at the quality. It's the 12s. Look, if you like 12s, you like 12s. 12s have always had that good quality. We're gonna come around to the back of the shoe. You see what it says. Quality inspired by the greatest player ever, the GOAT himself. See the 23 with the pull tab here as well. Coming around to the other side of the shoe, you see that nice combination. Look at the detail, nice quality leather with the eyelets there, right on down to the tongue with the Jumpman. Dope quality with the 2, 3. You get the 2, 3 on the tongue, and we slide around to the bottom. You see the Jumpman overlaps the front there. 23 on the side. You got the black and red, and you have the carbon fiber. Dope kick. I have a little bit of story time for you regarding these kicks, but while I have you right there, go on and tap that like button for your boy. Subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be advised of all future content. But the story time is this. I used to hoop in these back in the day. Not this particular pair. I was rocking the black and white joints, but I used to hoop in 12s, and I loved hooping in 12s. It's actually one of my favorite kicks to hoop in. Guys, let me know. These 12s are currently sitting. They're not sitting as bad as the Jordan 1 Royal Reimagined. They dropped, all right, excuse me, I don't mean laugh. They dropped a lot of pairs of those. Me personally, I like them, but holy smokes, they dropped a lot of pair, and those are gonna be outlet bound, mark my words. You can already get them for $50 less than retail. And you know what? Maybe for Christmas, everybody should just buy their family member the Jordan 1 Royal Reimagines. But what do you think about these cherries? What do you think about these? Man, they're clean. They're clean. Ooh, and they smell good. Guys, I appreciate the love. I appreciate the support. I appreciate the views. And I appreciate you. We're out of here. Guys, show your boy some love. You know we're gonna do some lace swaps. And in the meantime, I'll catch you on the next one. Getting out of here like this.